All right, so we're out in the middle of nowhere. We're gonna give this old Polaris a test run, see if anything breaks. Got a new helmet off Amazon. Looks pretty neat. But anyways, we're gonna finish loading up our stuff, and trailhead is over there. We're gonna see what happens. Looks like a fucking stormtrooper or something. there we go. We successfully spent $4,500 to completely restore a used ATV. Is it worth it? Probably not. I don't remotely see myself getting any of my money back out of this, but I will say everything works well. Brakes are good. I was able to lock all four up going down hills. Chain held up, engine's holding up. Not a bad first run. Yeah, I mean, my only complaint is the exhaust is stupid loud, so we have to fix that. Planned on being super easy on it today, but it was a bit muddy. Things got out of hand. I had a good time, so that's all that matters. But yeah, here we are. Runs, drives. Pretty happy with all of it. I do have a question though. What do you guys want to see me do with this thing? I mean, already tore my grip. Grip's not doing too well. Yeah, what do you want to see me do with this thing? I mean, I've got a lot of trails that are accessible with where I'm at. The only thing is, one thing I noticed is seems that most of them are probably going to be pretty rocky and up in these mountains. So probably not a lot of smooth top speed stuff, but either way, just let me know. We'll see if we can do it.